To install Kivy, the first thing we need to do is install Python. So I went to python.org and clicked on Downloads, and I downloaded the latest version of Python version 3. When you run it, I would not select the default install. I would select Customize, and it's safe to select everything. You definitely will need pip. If I go to the next screen, it doesn't really matter if you want to install for all users. These two things I would check, and you'd certainly want to check add Python to environment variables. By libraries, and everything else looks good. All right, this will take a few minutes. While that's going on, I'm going to go to the Kivy site at kivy.org, and I'm going to click Install. And there's different options for different computers on how to install it. We're going to use pip. Now be careful when you look at this, because many of these are the same commands, different commands to do the same thing. So you won't have to worry about that. There's actually only 3 things that you need to run in pip, and we'll do that once we get the Python installed. Now that Python has been installed, we say close, and now we want to bring up a CMD window. I'm going to CD into my documents folder, and these are the 3 commands we need to run. One will update some tools, one will install a virtual environment to test, and one will install the package. So I'm just going to copy these. I got these right off the website. While that's running, I'm going to copy number 2. If you get an error, one of the most common reasons you got an error is that Python was not in the environment variable path. Okay, now number 2. This one will make a subfolder. When that's running, I will copy command 3. Okay, once the second command ends, we're going to paste in the 3rd command. And then once that finishes, it should go back to the DOS prompt.